In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a raffle type. So Rafflepalooza comes with two raffle types, and we can see those by going to the Settings tab and then selecting raffle types. We have a door prize and a grand prize. If we tap on door prize, we can see that the door prize does not use tickets and has a total number of winners of 1. And then if we go back and select grand prize, we can see that that is set up the same way as the door prize, except that it uses tickets. If you want to create a new raffle type, you can create it here, or you can create it in line whenever you're creating a party. We'll go ahead and create one here. So we'll tap the plus button in the top right. Then for a name, let's call this one Massive Grand Prize, and let's say 3 winners, and let's say that it uses tickets. So now there it is. We can tap on these 3 lines on the right of each one of these and reorder these. This reordering is just done for your selection whenever you're creating a party. So if you have 20 or 30 different raffle types, but maybe there's 4 or 5 that you use regularly, you may want to go ahead and move those to the top so that you don't have to scroll for them every time. Now, whenever we go back to parties and create a new party, and we'll select our group, just kind of go through here. Now you can see that our new raffle type is there. We could also create a new one in line, like I said earlier. And that is it for raffle types. So best practice when it comes to raffle types is going to be to name them something that makes sense to you. So if you have a door prize that has 1 winner and a door prize that maybe has 2 winners, you will want to actually name that door prize 1 winner, door prize 2 winners, something like that you will understand just as you're looking at your raffles, you know, kind of what type of raffle that actually is. You can always come in here and select them and verify. You can also edit them in line. So like door prize here, we could edit and we could say door prize and then add, we could call it, let's see, we could do this, say 1 winner. Hit done. So now that's updated. That name will update automatically within any raffles that use it. So that's it for adding raffle types. Thank you.